Good morning, comrades. Moskera bwanje na mwazuka bwanje. No, comrades, let me be honest with you. Nkhani ya Malawi di Tanzania bani imeneyi. Sio thandiza pena pali posi. And let's not politicize this issue. This issue imene mwapanga bani. Imene tinapanga Malawi. It was not calculative. It was not well calculated. There's no way tinga unonge ubale wa Malawi di Tanzania because of vegetables. Kulibe zimene zozo. Because of our farm produce. The consequences are very high. Then Tanzania, Ifea Malawi ndifanto gona. I've been telling you, comrades Malawians, musogololi watu uchakwera ndi watulo. That's the problem. There's nothing. When the leadership is poor in the country, aliyesa mapanga chipena kupanga. Can't you see kutepapa tikuyaluka ndifea Malawi? What do we have here? Tindi chani kumalawi kunoko. Someone has said it clearly. Kumalawi kuno olo ngombe zimene ngombe zatu zimene tikuweta kumalawi kuno. They're not ready for export. We can't even palibe chimene chingatisunge kumalawi kunoko minus Tanzania. Tisamana mizana papa yaya. Uyuyu minister vitumbiko mumba anala kwisa with chakwera. There's no way a newly appointed minister kungononga zintu within seconds. Malawi bastavutika. You can see the queues of trucks. And the president is saying nothing. This is an internal issue. It is an internal but as well as an extended issue with the government of Tanzania. Timakamba Zanyanja Pompa, our friends in Tanzania, they are making millions and millions of dollars per Nyanja Malawi. If they will just complain and sing crying, Timango imba basi, nyimbo zolira basi. We don't have, even our security is not enough to fight Tanzania. Security fair nini orokuti antapange smart go chani katundu. People will be smart go katundu from Tanzania. Tilibe capacity. Tanzanians will be apapa tango segura makomo a smart go panopa. Our goods will be smart good. Our borders are porous between Malawi and Tanzania. Chilipa apa chakwera come up with the apange za changu apa. This is an emergency Malawi government. Komena mtiai vitumbuku mumba sana la kwise wala kwisa kaya ngarisana la kwise. Why is Tanzania coming up with a ban? Ban Tanzania ati ban affair. It's because of this minister Mumba. I'm not backing him this time. This is not politics. This is serious business. Tent zipanga ndale kumalawi koma sapange chisokonezo ndima iko omwe timapendula kuti timapezako chambiko timapezako zambiri. We get a lot of stuff. Zose zokuza ziweto Malawi muno mtima grow Tanzania. These drug shops, maveti ujena, maveti drug shops awao. Tima uda Tanzania. Mukati maone hivi ni mangwala opera sikizi. Tima gula mtaku Tanzania. Amene mbedwa mchiswahili. Well, we produce nothing here in Malawi. Otinga pange matama chota. Matama mene wao ndamela pangisa ziku watu kulowa pasi. Malawi, we pretend too much. Kutu wa a good country. We are nobody in this country. Ndi present watu chakwera hiwi. Chakwera has failed us very much. You can see. Mezi mchila Malawi kunoko. Ango itana mota itana ntanzero apite ku State House ku Palace akakambe fundo za nzero akuba itana mafumu opanda nchito ngatao aukaitana yazibusa opanda nchito ngatao aukaitana azimaya chipani kupita ku State House opanda nchito ngatao kwasi antanzero. What sort of a country is this? This poor leadership ya chakwera ikipweteka imeneyi vitumbuka mumba wango kala cabinet minister kugweneza ziko lonse la Malawi. Kuchipani kwa MCP kwa sokonozeka kwa gaikana chweka vitumbuka mumba omwe. Inde nchito kuigwira kwa masatile mindondomeko yaka gudoka nchito. Who is the cabinet minister in Malawi to influence a ban against another big country with well economy? Tanzania is well up in terms of economy. Tina vichi Malawi munos. What do we have here in Malawi? We have got nothing. That's why tufuna msogoli. Yomwe apange zintu tuoneke ngati ziko. That's why we're campaigning for Dasoka Bambe. Mundu wazo tipange economy yati kazikike zimene mumba upangazo zimafunika boma ndi msogole wozo wa economy osati chakwera wawa yaya awawa yayi awati chedusa kwambira chakwera wawa. Yes, delayed us. Then mumati hai Tanzania is better off than ourselves. Mashop amene mkona Malawi munakwenda bwino azovara amankhwala ma drug shop is Tanzania that our friends are producing. If we were only consumers with no brains, starting with the president Chakwera. Even these zeros of Malawi, zeros are to that lot because of this man Chakwera one. Apapa chonchi tikudina tikudana za kupoda iye akupaka kachani akupanga attend meeting BICC. Very useless man. Very useless president ametinayo. Uyu minister Mumbai must be fired from cabinet. Komaso cabinet osa ipange lishafu. Mwaka cabinet atumazuzulana ka. Cabinet yanje oti zinzikala kwika simakhala pasi kuona kuti amala kudenda wachani. Cabinet yongo kaya MCP okayo habas. Eh? What sort of country is this? We people were a shame of a country. Uyu minister wala kwisa zinthu. That's why this is been. Ngena mupanga yai Tanzania sai bagi Tanzania ndi Malawi takapa ubale tayari tali kwa basi. Our Malawian friends have been billionaires because of Tanzania. Tanzanians have been billionaires because of us Malawians. Ubale undu wakarekali suti uyu Mumba ngati sokoneze wangati timba zenga Mumba cha. Wherever he is, Mumba must understand this. Running a government is not just the way you think or the way you look. Ngati uli olemera uindi nzeru kapange company yako usiye uminister. We need cordial relationship with Tanzania. Not meant to pangira papa. Tina vichi kumalawi kuno. What do we have here in Malawi? If you corner matraki hata tilibe china chili chose kumalawi kunoko. And we're looking at people who are rich here in Malawi as compared to Tanzania. Tanzanians are much better. I can't hold them. They produce. They've got companies. Kulokota can't hold them. Tima grisa katundu kuboma mwaka tangale. We're not rich. We're not creative as a country. Eh? Zalakwika tu hapa zalakwika. Haya imumba wananangia nkuni. So wale kunangia ntikulira pana. Tela jara border huko. Crossing a border is a serious, it's a war on its own. Ndingondo imeneyi. Mukangopita ku Tanzania without following their banning instructions or restrictive measures aika ku Tanzania. Akakuombera ni Tanzania. Bamu murasani mwamufu. What sort of politics is this? Let's just deal with our stupid politics that we are doing here. The stupid politics that is in MCP. Chikarakwika sama karapansi cabinet minister. Chipani si chikarapansi kuti zionepo zinziwili zitatu. Who's the Mumba in MCP? Who's the Mumba in the cabinet? They mean that the whole cabinet ya MCP. Paibe mina ndampange point fingers at Mumba, kumuzuzula Mumbai. Or just fire him out of the cabinet. What is your problem? We've got better people in Malawi. Even there are better people in MCP who can take over that position ya Mumba. Chiloweni Mumba as cabinet minister. We have never slept well. Kuchipani mkulimba na primaries Mzimba Central, mkulimba na Maudindo, mkulimba na running mate. Best because of one person. Who is he? Why can't Mumba start his own party? I'm sorry to say this. Mumba is wrong as a minister of trade and influenced the ban. Yomoyapanga provoked the situation to Tanzania. Our people are suffering. People already have started making losses. I'm sorry to say this. Mumba must stop this. Chakwera also must say bye. Chakwera nasa zuke. 5 years sleeping panchito yake. Everyone who is close to Chakwera misbehaves. What sort of a country is this? What sort of a president is this? This must be sorted out today, not tomorrow. Uyu minister wa pupuruma chomene out. Anali wabu inaende timamkonda kumbia kusego. But this one, the ban with Tanzania, ukora wapaka bani kalo Tanzania, amali tizivutika. Mumali mantochi kuno. Do you have mega, mulindima mega farma ngono oli mantochi kumalai kuno. Everything good we eat on our breakfast, tikuja bizabu zabu ino mafuta o cheaper, tima gula Tanzania. Do we produce mafuta? Do we produce, what do we produce here in Malawi? Sindi coffee kumalawi kuno, tima zala coffee kumpoto kuno. Andi market want to do. We people were fools. Thank you and good morning.
Malawi, Camera.